Hey, if you guys want to see a huge fragrance haul, you need to stick with me. I have House of Sillage, Kayali. I went ham and caught some deals and some sales. And you guys, this is absolutely my second time filming this because the first video had no sound. So I hope I can keep my energy, my hype throughout this. But yeah, let's get ready to enjoy some fragrance. Okay guys, so the first time I filmed this video, I did a little bit in depth with the pricings and stuff like that. Just know a lot of this stuff I got on sale. I'm not gonna go as in depth as I did, so we're gonna just try to make this short, sweet, and fun. So my first fragrance I picked up, it came with a little Huda Beauty mini lippy. I got on Huda's website. It's the Kayali White Flower, and this is a little mini scent. It's 10 milliliters, 0.34 ounces, and yeah, I like the packaging, and I may do a review on it. And I also picked up the new Kayali Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper, also in a mini size from Huda Beauty's website. I like the little minis. I think the bottle is very nice. I like the minis because when you go travel, you don't have to take a full size, and this size with 10 fluid ounces is up under 0.34 ounces is under the ounces that you need, that you can take on a carry-on. So you can take these little mini ones on a carry-on and you don't have to decant. And then also, if you like them and you want to purchase the full size, you definitely can, but it saves me some money purchasing the minis because I get a good fragrance. I get to see if I like it, and you know, I get to travel with it. 9 times out of 10 I probably won't use it up, but if I do, then I just pick up another little mini. But some things I do buy full size on. So for the House of Sillage haul, we have 3 cupcakes and some, well, girl, let me get this stuff out of this box. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna start with one of the items I got on sale. Okay, so this was on sale. This is the House of Sillage signature set. And these are the travel size. Okay, these are the travel ones. You know, the ones that you can refill in the travel case. So this is the entire signature set collection. So these are the size of this that you can refill. I think they are originally priced. You can put in the little travel case. Oh, I dropped something. They're originally priced at like $2.95, and I think I picked these up for like $75. And I brought my little mini of the Whispers so you guys can see like comparisons in size. That these right here are samples, and that these right here is the travel size. So you can see that, you know, they cost a little bit more because you get the full set of products. So I definitely plan on maybe doing a full video so we can go over all of the signature collection and do the notes and stuff like I did for the Whispers. And they will give you guys an idea of, you know, what you like and what you don't like or whatever. Okay, so I have some cupcakes in here. I also got the trend number 5. I forgot how much this originally priced, but I paid, I think I paid like $22 for it. And you know, it's a little travel set. I love this little travel case. It comes with a little travel case that you can keep in your purse, and it has a full little travel size in here, and then you also get another little full little travel size in here. So I think that was a good deal. For $22 you get, you know, two of the travel size fragrances, and then the little travel case. I love the little travel cases. Okay, so let's move on to the cupcakes. The first cupcake I picked up was Shadori. Is it Shadori? I love it. It's like ruby. It's got the ruby Swarovski crystals. I like the packaging. You guys know I love my cupcakes. So I got this half off. I was trying to say, I got this half off. Okay, So we got that one. I got another cupcake that I also paid for, and I got some items that I got for free. Okay, so we got that cupcake. This is the one that I paid for. Okay, this is the one I got for free. Okay, so I also paid for another cupcake. I also got this one half off, and I got Holiday, and I love Holiday's packaging. All the different colors of the Swarovski crystals on this. Got red, blue, the clear, and the green. I also enjoyed the scent. We'll go over the fragrances, and when I rate them, when I do like the full set, so you guys can see like which one is my favorite, and you know which ones I do enjoy. And do I have any cupcakes in my collection that I don't care that much for? I've got plenty of cupcakes. So I think I'm just gonna do the signature ones. Those two right here, the Wonder Woman and the Disney one, as a limited edition. So I think I'm just gonna do the signature ones. So then also, you know, House of Sillage always have a sale. Spend this much, you get this free. So I got a travel set free, and I got a full-size cupcake for free. And the cupcake that I got free was Benevolence. And I love like the color of like the fragrance, and then the classic gold and the Swarovski crystals. Swarovski crystals is a beautiful packaging. So this is also a signature. So when we go over the signature set, you guys can see like which scents, and I put the notes up for all of them. And then so they also had, I love this travel set was also free in this House of Sillage, and it's the Passion de l'Amour, which is, I'm not gonna say it, which is probably my favorite. I don't know, because I really haven't smelled all of the signature ones. So when I do that video, then we'll can say, you know, for sure which one is my favorite signature scent. So it comes with a little travel set. So it has this beautiful, I love this beautiful white and silver travel case. And it also has a fragrance on the inside of it. Okay. And then you also get 3 Passion de l'Amour travel size. So you get 4 Passion de l'Amour travel size. So really I have 5 travel size, because I have the one in the travel set also. And so that this beautiful one can just sit here and be pretty. And if I want to use me some Passion de l'Amour, I can, and not feel guilty about it, because this was absolutely free for me, boo. So yeah, there you have it. That's my huge haul. House of Sillage and Kayali. I think those are all the fragrances that I bought recently. Yeah. So we'll have some video coming after this video. I don't know if it's gonna be like right after it, but you guys know I'm gonna do the full set of the House of Sillage fragrances, the signature collection. So we'll have that video upcoming. I might do a video of these, just putting up the notes and just smelling them. And since I only own the 2 Kayali, so that will be like a short video, just to let you guys know like some upcoming videos that's coming up. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram, because on my Instagram I do post some hauls that I don't post on my channel. And I also post like different content, day-to-day life, pictures of me, my family, and different looks that I do for myself that I don't film. Like let me tell you, baby, I do my makeup for myself, and so I don't always film it on day-to-day when I do my makeup, when I'm not just filming my videos. So you do take a look at those looks and just different stuff, like just, you know, I unbox my BoxyCharm on there. So I try to put different content on the Instagram. You're gonna get a little different than you would on the channel. You also will get some of the same that I do put on the channel, but you're gonna get a little different. And then you might see like hauls before I put it on the channel. You might see it, I can take a picture of it quicker and post on Instagram than I can before I sit down and film it and get it edited and uploaded for you guys. So you guys are gonna get a little bit more into my life, a little bit more into my personality, and a little bit more, you know, day-to-day on my Instagram. So make sure you follow my Instagram so you don't miss a thing. And I'm gonna holler at you guys later.